Good morning. I wasn't, again, as normal, I wasn't going to be doing videos on the work I've got at the minute, but it's too kind of interesting to not to. I've got a Rover 25. I bet a lot of you will laugh when I say it's interesting and then follow it by it's a Rover 25. Yeah, you'll probably laugh, but you'll see why in a second. I've got a 2004 Rover 25 in, it's a 1.4K series engine in it, and I've got it in for some bodywork. What it is ridiculously clean. Here it is. I've already pulled the bumper off. I wasn't going to do it, but as you can see, how many cars do you pull a 2004 or the 2004 plate do you pull apart and it's that clean? Yeah, it's a little bit dirty, but like it's clean. Scabby rust, a little scabby, but underneath, look how clean that is. Our cross member's clean, the engine's clean and tidy, not wet. The floor plan, lovely and clean. So, it's in for another garage to do restorations, but we do a lot of body work and blasting and powdering for them. And this is one of their cars, so it's in full. I'll show you. A little bit of rusting on the wing here, tidy that up. I did add, unfortunately the bolts did snap taking the bumper off, which was a given. Look at how clean that is, man. I see 3, 4, 5-year-old cars scabbier than that. Yep, I've got this bit to do. We have just noticed another bit on this side of the wing here, which I might speak to them about, get that done. There's a couple bits on the sills and the rear arches, tidy up and repair and paint. So it's in for that. So it's going to be a short video. I'm not going to bother filming lots of it, but yeah, it's why not? Might as well get some footage up of what we do. It's not always all the big fancy stuff, we do all the little bits as well. So yeah, here's a nice normal little car that a lot of people would say isn't worth repairing, but it is. It's only done 40,000 miles, so that's why it's so clean. Let's crack on. So I've got the wings buzzed off, cleaned up underneath. I used the nylon wheel as I normally do. I put some Q-Rust on and I've repaired it and it's just ready for primer now. Dad's going to make sure prime it up for us. We have come across a problem at the back end. I've buzzed all this off and Q-Rusted it. That'll be going off overnight. But as you can see, yeah, knackered. So he's just been down and I'm just going to clean it up and make a patch to go on. I'm not going to chop it out and make a full new piece to go in. So it's just tidy it up, make it solid again, and then we'll black the whole sill under the line here with the wayside black wax. So I'll get cracking on with this. I'm going to get that primed tonight, and well, the other side as well, primed as well, and then move on to the back end. Wait, see, we're back at work today. Yesterday I got the wings repaired and primed around here. Both sides they're done. They just need to be flattered and then we can paint the wings when we do the rest of the bits. Today I'm gonna jack it up, it's already on the lift. Put it up height, put an axle stand under this side. We've got big axle stands so I can pull this armwood, and I'm going to be cutting and welding new piece in here. Hopefully I might get both of them done today. We've got another big job coming in on Saturday, so I kind of want this done and dusted and out the way. Both these sides to do, but hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. So let's just crack on and get it done. Yeah, I've had the way wheel on grinder, the angry wheel of death. As you can see, this bit's haggard all the way along here. That's haggard. It got onto it with here, so it's about a foot and a half, foot and a quarter. If you that don't work in feet and inches, that's about 45 centimeters ish. There, yeah, I would guess that's about 45 centimeters. Foot probably be about there. Yeah, I would guess about 45 centimeters. So get this bit chopped up, we drill these spots out, and then make a piece to go in here and cut this out. I know I do get a bit over the top with patches, but I like to do them right, especially on structural parts of cars like sills. There's no point in just covering it up, because if it crashes and folds it up in the middle, yeah, I'd rather be right. Just chopped out. I've made me repair piece, which is going to go on like that, hunky dory. get this hog glued up, and there we go, she's all glued up. Note to self, them nylon wheels don't take any prisoners. Yep, it's glued up, plug welded across the bottom to match how it was with the spots, as best you can without spot welding it. Plugs are just as good, give or take. Just seam welded all the way along the top, give it a clean off, and with the grinder, the flat wheel on, with the flap disc, flap wheel, and get the seam sealed, and then we'll black it from here down, and this bit here will just be getting repaired and painted, so that's why I'm not too bothered about this bit being burned. So I've got all the welds cleaned off. Gonna seam seal it now, make sure it's all nice and watertight, and then I will prep and do the bottom of this first. I might just put some primer over that, cover it up before, and then I will repair and paint this bit before I do down here, because it's a wax that we're putting on. I don't want wax interfering with that. So yeah, I'll probably do that and then paint that, and I'll get waxed from that line doing there on both sides. On with the other side, welding this up now, so I'll just cut that bit out there, make that bit in there. But yeah, this side isn't as bad as the other side, as you can see, but it still needs welded up. So cut the suit, make a new piece, put it in. Back with the Rover. I just completely forgot to keep filming. I said it was going to be a short video, but here it is. So welded up. I've repaired the arches so they're nice and smooth and flat and primed. There was a ding here, that's been repaired and primed. Just the other side the same, except the other side only goes up about here. And now I've just got to flat the primer, and then I'll scotch this door and the quarter, because to keep the colour right I'll blend it at the door, and then we'll clear the door, quarter. I'll get away with because it's far enough away, I think. The wing's been flatted and scotched. I don't have to blend the wing because it's far enough away. I can just get with blending the wing and clearing it. And then yeah, and I've just got to cut these boards out and put some new ones in. And I can take it back together. Hopefully I can get that done today, but I might not do because it is half one. It's in the oven now, all masked up, ready to go. Just going to give it a quick degrease when I get kitted up. Get the boilers on, get a quick degrease, tack rag, and then we're squirting the paint on. Lovely. There we go, she's painted up. Gonna get this flashed off, let it flash for 10 or 15 minutes at this temperature. Let's some solvents escape. It's about 30 degrees in here. It does get warm. We're just gonna let it flash while I take everything out of the oven and put it away, wash the guns out, and I'll come in, put it on bake, and then it's time to get it unmasked. I'll probably, I think I'll get them brackets done while it's cooking, and then yeah, it's just about ready to go. Well, painted it yesterday, to the all important cup of tea. It's 10 o'clock, so time for a cup of tea again. Painted it yesterday, unmasked it. I've just pulled it out the oven. Give me 2 seconds, and I'll go and show you what it looks like. This is, oh yes, steamy. Lovely. And while that brews, I'll go and show you the car. So, here she is, all painted up. Lovely. I've still got to pull the foam masking at the door. Wings done, shiny and lovely. Quarters and door done, shiny and lovely. I'll put it on 0.5, you can see more. And I'll go around the other side. Careful not to show the reg, because I don't like showing other people's regs and avoid it. And there we are. Look at that. I've just got to clip it back together. I'll quickly show the brackets I made, or remade, fixed the ones. So they're the brackets for the hold the bump of the wing. I cleaned them off and cut the heads off, knocked the cold suit, and welded some new ones in. So that'll hold the bumper on. Next job, I've got to get it on the lift, not because it has a car on doing a set of wheels today. I have to move all that stuff, get it on that lift. Now I've got to black the sills and fit the front bumper. Hey, there we are. She's I blacked the sills. Obviously you can see it masked up. This side hasn't been masked, or it's unmasked now, so you can see. Lovely. So I get her down, get the wheels torqued up, and we'll just take her inside. Hey, here she is. She's all done and dusted. Sills are black, wheels are on, torqued up. Alright. Hey presto, she's all done dusted. Ready to go away. Just got to give the customer a call and he'll come get it. Spotty dog. We've got this thing behind me. That's going to be coming up soon. That's my next project. You might have seen it on Instagram. Yeah, hunky dory. Yeah, as always, like, subscribe, do all the stuff that helps algorithm stuff. Yeah, until next time.